So, I just figured out, real late, but I just figured out how to change my ringtone on my phone. So, I synced one of my songs from my computer into my phone, and I'm gonna tell Madison to call me so you guys can hear it, because it's that fucking awesome. So, let me call Madison. She's probably gonna watch the video after.
Hello?
Hey, Madison.
Yeah?
I'm taking a video right now because I changed my ringtone, so I'm gonna hang up and you're gonna call me, okay?
Okay, and by the way,
Yeah?
I'm not buying him the shirt anymore. He wants to buy it himself. But I'm gonna buy mine.
Well, you should totally buy mine too.
Should I? Okay.
Yes!
Okay, wait, do you want to buy one? Because there's different ones. I'll send you the link and just tell me which one you want.
Okay, but...
Okay, so I'll call you right now.
Okay, cool.
Bye.
Bye. Yes. Okay, ready? Ready? Wait for it. Look, Robert's my screensaver. Oh, you can't see it, but it's his tweet before he left. Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay. Now we wait. So what are you guys doing for Halloween? Oh. This is so awesome. Phone number 2. Hello?
Did it work?
Yeah, I'm about to post the video, so you should totally go watch it.
A video on where?
Tumblr.
Okay, you're home?
Yeah, I'm home.
Yay, okay. Text me when it's uploaded.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Well, that was cool. I just wanted to show you guys because I was so excited. So, yeah. It's cool. Cooler than sliced bread. That was really stupid. I hate when people say that. Okay, well, that's it. Bye.